New chapters and new battles will unfold. Me and my cat, all new, next on the WB. Everybody's in on the network. Me and my cat.
Okay, nothing has changed at the moment on this app. Wait. King Pig?
What do you want, Landon?
You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking about hosting a party.
A party, huh? What kind of party?
Oh, any kind. But let me tell you, it's gonna be a one-of-a-lifetime event. It already happened on this channel back then, but I'm thinking we're gonna do it again.
Oh, this is very interesting.
You can say that again. I'm sure it might take some time. Molly,
What is it?
I have a big surprise for you. Since we already found 2 cats, we found 2 dogs. This here is Daisy, and this is Roscoe, but I call him Rocco.
Greetings, Molly. Hello, Daisy and Roscoe.
We are also like a brother and a sister to Maxine and Howard.
Ain't that a surprise? But we don't have time for chats. I gotta go introduce them to Cletus and Normie. I'll be right back. Hey Cletus, Normie, and Coda.
Hello, all. Hey, Landon and Molly. Glad to see you guys. And who are these cheapskates?
Yeah, who are they?
Where are our manners? These two, they're also the new members of this group.
Apart from Maxine and Howie, Cletus, Normie, and Coda, meet Daisy and Roscoe, my new BFFAE. Bestest friends forever and ever. Yet they still came to help us.
That's right.
We are also like a brother and sister to Max and Howard.
That explains it all. Pleasure to meet you too.
Yeah. Come on, you two. I'll let you meet Max and Howie with King Pig. Hey, King Pig, Maxine, and Howard.
Hey, Landon, Cletus, Molly, Normie, and Keda. About that time you guys got here. Why are these knockoffs here?
King Pig, what did I say about calling them knockoffs?
Shut it. I don't need your pity. I don't trust these two being here. I know they are brother and sister to you.
It does not fucking matter. They don't like being called knockoffs. What is going on here?
Okay, Normie, I want to explain. When we first got into Max and Howard's residence, King Pig got hostile towards Daisy and Roscoe by calling them knockoffs.
Oh my fucking god, King Pig. How dare you call them that when you are wrong? Come on, you got to get used to them just like you got used to Max and Howie. Besides, these 2 dogs are my best friends, and you are a big meanie to them.
I don't like where this is going.
Neither do I.
What's that smell? Roscoe, did you piss on the floor? If you did, then go use the bathroom.
Why the fuck did you piss here, you stupid faggot? I'll cut your fucking dick off next time you piss on the floor, you little autistic fuck. Be happy I didn't quick scope you prick. Next time I'll treat scope your asshole, so you can never walk again, mate.
What did you just say?
You would fucker? What was that? You fucking faggot.
What the fuck is wrong with you, King Pig? First you called them knockoffs, and now you said that horrible speech when Rex got pissed on the floor.
You goddamn motherfucking son of a bitch. Your language.
That does it, King Pig. This has gone too far. You are grounded forever, big time.
Go to your room now, you bastard bitch.
Fine. You fucking pedwacker.
You stupid fuck. Hey guys.
Jesus Christ, Landon. What the hell happened back over there?
We had constant yelling.
Oh, allow me to explain. So, we have 2 more visitors. Their names are Daisy and Rocky. But call them Roscoe. But King Pig is having a bad attitude. So he called them knockoffs. And then he said that horrible speech when Rocco pissed on the floor.
Now that's not nice.
Was he grounded for that?
Yep. He was grounded until the end of Sunlight. I can't believe he would do such a thing like that.
It was shameful to treat others like this. I agree with you on that, Cletus.
Don't forget about me. I hope he will learn his lesson. Mind if I introduce you to them?
To be continued in the next episode. Well guys, this now concludes our broadcasting for this week. For ATN Channel 7, the WB, the CW, UPN, and Discovery.
Thank you for watching Me and My Cat. New episodes continue on its new night, next Thursday at 10/9 Central.
For now, everyone is going to bed. From everyone here on this channel.
Subscribe on this channel for more. Also follow us on Instagram and TikTok.
Good night, everybody from the city of Fayetteville.
We'll definitely see you tomorrow night.
Until then, this is me, King Pig, Cletus, Molly, Normie, and Coda, over and out. Good night, everyone.